Welcome to Cruises and Casinos. We're on Carnival Horizon. Cabins have just opened. We're going to take a look at our cabin 9432. Just wanted to show you from the elevator lobby. And this would be 9432. It's just 2 cabins down from the elevator lobby. Our luggage is already here, so that's a good thing. So let's take a look at this cabin. Okay, so walking in from the cabin door, this is what the cabin looks like. And I'm thinking over here are the closets. This will be the bathroom. This one you have to have a card for the lights to work. And the thermostat is right next to the bathroom door and the lights. We have a rather large sofa. Now what I saw on other videos, and I'm going to take a look at this right now, is that the bottom part of this should be able to be pulled out. And it does. Okay. So you got 2 extra drawers under there. King size bed, or 2 twins that are joined together. We have an ocean view balcony. This cabin is towards the aft elevator. Next to the beds we have 2 lamps, one on either side, and each one has a little storage compartment. Mrs. Casinos is waiting outside. She doesn't like to be in the room while I'm doing the video. It's hard to see if there's any extension outlets under this bed, but I'll take a quick look. I can't tell. In my experience on the Carnival ships, they usually don't have them. This is the vanity area with a little stool. We have a little coffee table here. Just get that back. Oh, look what we got. 2 bottles of tequila Herradura. And they gave us like a half a case of Sierra Mist and Pepsi Zero. We have 2 complimentary bottles of water also. This is an elite cruise for us. This vanity has 1 drawer in the middle with the hair dryer. On the other side, we have the little refrigerator. It's so weird, we don't even drink and they gave us these bottles. So over here we have 2 USB ports. We have the telephone, 2 120 volt outlets, 1 European adapter. The TV is facing the bed. And this is an adjoining cabin. We never like taking these. We've had bad experiences with finding the door open and nobody could tell us how that happened. Okay, you have a mirror on the vanity. There's a switch here, it must be lighted. Yep, it's a lighted mirror. And let's take a look at the closets. First closet. 1, 2 shelf, 1 with a safe, and 1 more, and 1, 2, 3 drawers. Fairly decent. Pretty noisy. The other closet, we have some hangers up here. 1 shelf. I do believe this could be moved up. Yes, it can be moved up. And the third closet, it's just for hanging clothes. And on that door has the full length mirror. Okay, there's our cabin door. Our master station is D, like in David 3, which is on deck 3. There's the bathroom. For a balcony, and we have shower curtains. Not our first choice, but Horizon has been around for a few years, so this is how they built the ships. See how the water pressure looks like. Pretty decent. It does have the little clothesline. Got the towel racks. You have 3 shelves on either side. His and hers, as it were. Mirror in the middle. Magnifying glass. The other 3 shelves. Just check the water pressure in the faucet. Okay, let's take a look at the balcony, and that should be it. Okay, we are in Miami today, leaving from Miami. A lot of algae in the waters. Balcony is very small. Remember, this is 9432, is towards the aft of the ship. That would be the front, and I believe that's the aft right there. So we're right next to the elevator lobby, but pretty far back. So that's cabin number 9432. Let's take a look from this angle. Okay, step back inside. And that's it. Carnival Horizon, balcony stateroom number 9432. This is Cruises and Casinos. Thank you all for watching.